In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the highlight color in Foxit Reader. Whether you're a student marking up a PDF for study or a professional reviewing a document, customizing the highlight color can make a significant difference in how you segment and prioritize information. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, open up your PDF file in Foxit Reader. Now, for this demonstration, I'm assuming you already have some text highlighted in your document, as this process will focus on modifying the existing highlights. To get started, hover your cursor over the highlighted text that you want to change. Once you do this, you're going to right-click on that highlighted area. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. What you're looking for here is Properties. Go ahead and click on Properties, which will open a new dialog box specifically designed for customizing the appearance of your highlights. Now that you're in the Properties dialog box, you'll notice a few different tabs at the top. What you want to focus on is the Appearance tab. Click on this tab, and you should see some options related to how your highlight looks. This is where the fun begins. In the Appearance tab, look for a small color box, which shows the current highlight color. It's right there, waiting for you to customize it. Click on this color box, and a palette of colors will appear. This palette gives you a variety of colors to choose from, so feel free to scroll through and find the one that suits your needs the best. Maybe you're working with different colors for different sections, or perhaps you've got a personal preference for a color scheme that's easy on your eyes. Once you've selected your new highlight color from the palette, you're ready to apply your choice and complete the change. You can do this by simply clicking OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This action will confirm your chosen color and immediately update the highlighted section in your document to reflect this new hue. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change the highlight color in Foxit Reader. Whether you're doing this for better organization, personal preference, or improved visibility, you now know how to adapt your PDF highlights to better suit your workflow. Feel free to test this out with more documents, and you'll find that changing colors can actually make your reading process more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.